This video will cover how to remove and install a door on the WeatherGuard high side or underbody box. Required tools include a 7/16 inch and a 5/16 inch socket. Step 1 is to manually detach the quick clips supporting the cover and put the lock in the locked position. Step 2 is to remove the retaining clips holding the rod in place. Then use your fingers to remove the rod from the lock system. Step 3 is to remove the bolts from the 3-point latching system using a 7/16 inch socket. Then turn the lock counterclockwise and remove it from the cover. Step 4 is to remove the hinge bolts securing the box and cover using a 5/16 inch socket. Step 5 is to reinsert the old lock in the new cover. Attach using a 7/16 inch socket and set the lock to the locked position. Step 6 is to attach the new cover with the hinge bolts using a 5/16 inch socket. Step 7 is to insert the wider end of the metal rods through the openings on the cover. Guide the holes on the smaller ends over the pins on the back side of the handle. And reinsert the retaining clips. If you need more assistance or replacement lock, call customer service or visit the website.